All right, let's jump right in. Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're going to unlock a seriously cool, kind of secret communication trick that will instantly make you sound more confident, way more prepared, and just totally in control. It's a tiny little change, but I promise you it makes a massive difference in how people actually hear you. So, picture this. You're sitting in class, completely minding your own business, right? And suddenly, bam, the teacher calls on you to answer a question. You open your mouth, you start to speak, and then your brain just entirely freezes. It literally needs a second to catch up and think about what to say next. So, what happens then? Well, for most of us, out comes the classic, and honestly, this shows exactly how our brains are wired. We just do not like silence. When a conversation gets quiet, we feel this intense, super awkward pressure to just fill the gap. So we make these filler sounds without even realizing we're doing it. So let's talk about section 1, the speaker's illusion, and why silence feels so weird. There is actually this fascinating bit of psychology behind why we hate that silence and why we really shouldn't. It's called the speaker's illusion. Basically, it's a phenomenon where a 1-second pause feels incredibly long to you, the speaker, but it feels completely normal to your audience. Like to your listeners, it's barely a blip. In fact, the absolute greatest speakers in the world know this secret. They don't panic when it gets quiet. They actually use silence on purpose as a powerful tool, not a mistake. To show you exactly what I mean, let's jump into section 2, filler word versus pause, for quick comparison. We're going to do a quick A/B test right now. Listen really closely to these two. Here's version A. So, I think we should. Okay, now here's version B. So, I think we should. Did you hear the difference there? Version B just sounds so much more confident. The pause feels calm and collected, but that filler word in version A, it kind of makes you sound uncertain and nervous. So why exactly does this work so well? Well, a pause does 3 incredibly useful things for you. Number 1, it gives your brain time to actually think and catch up. Number 2, it gives your audience time to listen and process what you just said. And number 3, it makes your really important ideas completely stand out. That is a ton of power coming from just one tiny moment of silence. So how do we actually build this habit? Well, next time your brain needs a second, don't rush to fill the space with an Instead, use the super simple 3-step playbook. Step 1, stop. Step 2, think. Step 3, continue. Trust me, a short pause is almost always the strongest choice you can make. All right, let's see how sharp your newly trained ears are with section 3, Think Fast, a pop quiz. Okay, which of these sounds more confident to you? Option A, so, here's my answer. Or option B, so here's my answer. I'll give you just a second to lock in your choice. And the winning answer is B. Absolutely. Just like we saw in our test earlier, a pause is almost always going to sound significantly stronger, way more thoughtful, and just more confident than any filler word. Now it's time to take this knowledge out of this explainer and into the real world. Let's get into section 4, mission of the day, real world practice. All right, here is your mission for today. Sometime today, just have a short conversation with a friend, maybe a classmate or a family member. Just a totally normal chat. But whenever you feel that or trying to escape your mouth, stop. Replace it with a pause. Just hold the silence for 1 second. Notice how weird it might feel to you at first, and then pay attention to how totally natural it sounds to them. You're gonna be amazed. Remember, silence isn't a problem. It's a feature. It is literally one of the strongest tools you have as a speaker. Embrace the pause. But that does bring up a really good question. What if you use filler words so much you don't even realize you're doing it? Like, how do you catch your filler words before they catch you? Think about that. And we'll dive right into the answer in our next explainer. Until then, keep practicing those pauses.